Alright guys, we're gonna break another box of 07-08 NBA basketball artifacts. I'm not sure what to expect out of this. I didn't really read up on it. So we'll just open them and find out. Looks like 10 packs, 4 cards per pack. If we believe that. It looks like there's some sort of a box topper. Michael Jordan stuff. We'll open that up and see what that's all about at the end. This looks like some exclusive cards. Got Boozer on the back. Well, these look pretty nice. Nash, West, Jefferson, and Boozer red, number 50 of 50. That's pretty cool. Jared Jack, Luol Deng, D. Will, David Lee. Oh, that's numbered. My bad. David Lee, numbered 90 of 100. Pack feels pretty thick. Might have a decoy in it. LeBron, Kevin Martin, decoy, Dwight Howard, and a John Stockton.
Nice.
749 of 999. Legendary legacies. Tiny Archibald. TJ Ford, Tayshaun Prince, Boozer again, and a Tiny Archibald, 391 of 999. Definitely cool looking cards. Looks like we got something in this one. Tracy McGrady, Jason Richardson, Adam Morrison, and a dual jersey of Ray Allen and Jameer Nelson. And it is numbered 77 of 150. Right there in the middle. Very hard to see. That's a cool card. Ray Allen is a Celtic too. Not sure why they paired Jameer Nelson up with him, but Sean McCants, Elton Brand, Shard Lewis, and another dual jersey of Jason Terry and Luke Walton, number 134 of 150.
Sweet.
Wow, this pack is thin. Mike Miller, Brandon Roy, Jared Jack, and a rookie legacy of Josh McRoberts, number 494 of 1299. I thought that might have been an autograph with it being right in the middle. I thought the rookie would be on the back. Luol Deng, Chris Wilcox, Raymond Felton, and Manu Ginobili jersey, numbered 65 of 100. That's pretty cool. Kobe Bryant, Chris Bosh, and a Rookie Legacies 97 or no, 897 of 1299 of Orlando Tucker. 3 Orlando Tuckers. So I guess if we have a chance at an autograph, it's in the last pack. Gerald Wallace, Dirk Nowitzki, D. Brown. Hope he's enjoying Europe. But that's cool. Jazz draft pick. D. Brown. Alright, thanks guys.